Ooh, what's this?
Branch,
Oh
you can...
no! Oh god.
What?
Emma, I know you didn't know, but you just made things wicked hard.
Did she do a...
Oh!
You invited the challenge of the mountain. Dude, this is gonna get kicked up to
Wait.
11 now. And we're on easy mode.
You probably just made it very, very hard. I know you didn't mean to, but you did. So whatever you
I'm
did,
just
don't do that.
We're gonna learn
Yeah, I
today.
know. Yeah, you're gonna learn.
Gonna learn today now.
Emma,
Wait,
if
take
you
focus.
if you right click, you'll do like a shotgun attack, but you can only use it every so often.
Oh god, they've got about
Oh, shit.
guys.
Okay.
Branch, when you kill things, you get coins, and you can spend their coins
Oh,
on
shit.
items.
You can spend your coins on like loot boxes that you can find around the map.
Ooh. Fucking run.
So theoretically, you want to be able to, you want to do this as fast as possible, so you don't get trapped
Yeah.
in a high difficulty.
Okay.
But you don't have to.
Yeah. You can like farm to get coins to spend on items that would help you. Too.
Because
Okay.
if you manage to get some good loot, you can fucking break this game and like
Yeah. Me and Coda have like got pretty far.
yeah.
Or like
think
you just have
I-
items.
Wait, okay.
What is this? Shrine of Chance. Crowbar.
Crowbar.
Yeah, I'm just chilling right now. Just vibing.
Ooh, chance
What's this?
to stun on a hit.
What's in here? A thingy. Sticky bomb. Hi.
I miss this game.
Oh shit.
Oh, Lizardman.
How did I roll?
Shift. Yeah, it's nice to play this game in actual quality. And
Oh
not
yeah.
hit.
I couldn't before.
Yeah, this is new to me.
Oh shit, my mouse
Oh.
died.
I have a healing drone.
Ah, shit. There we go. Wow. Grandstand with that.
Oh hey,
Yeah.
when you're firing, hit R real quick.
Yeah.
Did you see that nice little attack you just did? That burst? Yeah.
I can't really do that right now because I can only use my mouse pad because my mouse died.
You're playing on a mouse pad?
Playing on a
Bro.
trackpad?
Bro!
Dude, you're gonna have a bad time with this.
This is gonna
Why?
get real bad
Mouse
real
pad.
quick.
I ran out of I don't have any AAA batteries.
You don't have a
wireless
wired mouse?
Oh my god.
No.
Bro!
Dude, you're gonna have a
Hey.
bad time.
What kind of pro gamer are you? It doesn't have
I'm
a full...
not.
What type
Oh no,
of-
sticky keys.
What type of gamer doesn't have a RGB mouse that lights up?
Shit. No, fuck sticky keys.
No, you're gonna have a bad time.
I'm having a very bad time.
Dagger, yes.
What's this? Oh, I got bum fucked.
Maybe my mouse will work again. There it is. It's back.
Until it dies in a minute.
Good get.
Hey guys, I'm coming in hot and heavy. I'm flying.
I see you.
Do you see me in the distance?
I see you in the distance. You're like a speck. You're a pixel.
I have insect wings.
Nice, man.
Oh. Guys, someone come to me.
I'm coming.
Oh shit, I can't run the fire.
Get it.
God.
Isaac, pick up that ocular hood.
Wait, where?
This thing I'm circling. Pick it up.
Got it.
Now, if you hit Q, you'll have like 100% damage for like 8 seconds.
Oh. I will save that.
It recharges.
Oh, okay.
It recharges. It's just you can only use it for like 8 seconds at a time. It's not, it's not like a one-off thing.
Oh, I thought it was. That's broken as all hell.
This game's always broken.
What do you want to do, Code? I want to
Oh,
go.
dude, whoever dropped this banner, that's a really good spot.
You're welcome. Wasn't intentional, but you're welcome.
I know it's
That
not.
double
but-
damage banner?
Yeah, this is a double damage banner.
Oh, is that right by the teleporter?
Yep.
Nice.
So come by the teleporter.
Do you know
So
what the teleporter is?
No.
It's this thing with the weird little half arch
Yeah.
down here.
Who the fucking these guys up?
Okay.
Is that another double damage banner?
Yeah, I put one up here too.
Oh. Whatever
Yeah.
happened to that challenging the mountain?
It's still going on technically.
Oh.
But like
Hey,
if you stay
bitch.
in these things here, they'll give
You'll
you
do
double
double
damage.
Those come in really handy alright, when we come to this teleporter and we do it, it's gonna make us stay in a certain circle,
There's a little turret.
and it's gonna spawn a boss.
Yeah, there's boss battles.
The bosses suck.
Yes.
Eventually, you'll get to the point where the game gets so hard, it will start spawning bosses as regular enemies. And I have not lived long enough to find that out. I only, yeah. I usually don't get that far.
We should get like 5 worlds in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, ready? Let's do this.
Do it.
Get in the banner circle.
Where?
They're right
Get
over
in
here.
there.
In this.
In here. Yeah.
Oh, there's 2 of them.
Oh, it's
Oh.
Stone Titans.
Oh, sir.
No, thank you.
Uh-oh. Oh, that is a lot of damage.
Yeah. How do I use my stun grenade?
It'll automatically do it.
There's a chance to use it, pretty much. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
You okay?
No, I'm good.
Die, homie.
That's 1 down.
I'm flying. He's dead.
Guys, get the stuff he dropped. Get the stuff he dropped.
I'm on my way down.
Make sure to save some for M, though.
Oh, I don't need to worry about M taking all of it.
Uh-oh, I am slow. God damn it. Alright, we're good.
Let's go. And now transport to Underworld.
Oh, fun.
That's World 1.
Now we're on medium difficulty.
Oh, that was easy.
Yep. Yeah,
Yeah,
now
it gets
we're
hard
medium,
right
though. It's gonna get very hard. The difficulty scale in the corner, eventually, it just says ha 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 forever.
Yeah.
Like evil laugh.
Oh.
It gets very difficult very fast.
It gets very difficult.
Ooh. What is this thing floating above you?
That's my
Heal-
healing drone.
Healing drop.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I bought him.
Yeah, if you haven't figured out already, look around the map for these blue containers. They'll give you stuff. But you gotta, that's where you spend your money on.
Yeah.
Thank you for killing me. Yes.
I need money.
Why?
There's a fucking turret here.
Oh, sick.
I found the teleporter.
Oh, sick.
You don't look fun. Wow, I was right, you're not fun.
I'm having a time.
Same.
You need me to come over to you, Isaac?
I'm fine. I have my drone.
Give me money.
I don't have any lunar. Sweet.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Teddy
Corey got
bear.
some.
Teddy bear.
Nice.
What does he do again? Remember's good.
Teddy bear has a chance to block all damage.
Sick.
It's only like a 3% chance, but they stack. So if you get like 90 teddy bears, there's like a 100% chance like you will not get damage at all.
So you're invincible.
Yeah, I don't have it yet. I need. I want that teddy bear. I have dibs on the teddy bear.
Alright,
Okay.
alright, I won't touch that one.
Oh god, fucking teacup.
Hi, buddy.
Oh shit. I am.
Eh.
I see someone's been up here. Attack missile. Sick.
Oh, come on.
Or war banners.
Ooh, oh, is that worth it? Oh, is that
Is
worth
it?
it? Energy drink.
Does now increase your speed.
Yeah.
Hello?
Oh,
No, that is the high.
Hello?
Hi, Jason. Alright.
We're doing.
We
Isaac?
played a game earlier.
There's stuff up there, and I want to know what's up there.
Where?
There's up
Oh.
on the hill. You need a jetpack to get to it, so.
So, it
I have
looks
one.
like my computer's broken.
Nice.
do?
Nice.
Well, my A key is broken.
That's not good.
Well, that's replaceable.
On a laptop?
That's
Yeah, it is.
replaceable. All
You're
parts are
right.
replaceable.
I have to pick up sentient meat hook?
Chance to
What?
hook all nearby enemies.
Dude.
That's fucking lit.
Yeah, I'm getting OP right now.
Yeah, dude, this is.
I got
this
double
A
jump,
key-
and that's about the
this
most
A
OP
key's
I
gone.
got.
I have a meat hook and I have chance to fire missiles.
I have sticky bombs as well, and stun grenades, so it's not too bad.
Dude,
Good.
we're fucking balling right now.
You just gotta buy
You
everything.
got the teddy bear, right?
I got the teddy bear.
Okay.
Oh, you stupid bell.
Oh, I know. That
You
was
should probably get going.
Yeah.
Where is the teleporter? Did I put a warband and get the teleporter this time?
It's you drop
I have it. It's right
you
here.
drop a war banner when you level up, so that could be a while.
Temporary seal the power of slain enemy.
Shit. Oh.
Bells.
Soldier syringe. Fuck yes.
Ah, Dakota got my
Soldier's,
drugs.
friend.
Increases attack speed.
Oh, sick.
Again,
do we hit teleporter?
Yes.
Yeah.
We're gonna get effed very badly if we don't.
I'm gaining the power of slain enemies.
Oh, one. Oh, fuck.
Where is he?
Up top.
In the sky.
Where else would he be?
I don't know.
It's a giant jellyfish, and he
Oh,
sucks.
there he
That
is.
does good damage. I like that.
It's going down quick.
Dude, because we're OP as fuck.
Die, sir. He's dead.
Now we just gotta wait
Oh,
for the teleporter. to
everyone
finish
grab a thing.
teleporting. Bandolier. Yes.
That's it. Gotta-
Yeah, I grabbed that one.
Uh,
Lunar. Oh no.
if anyone wants my my insect jetpack, it's on the ground.
Where? Where's Dakota?
Good question. That's a lot of things.
We're almost done. We fucking dropped 3 banners on top of each other.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's a lot of war banner. Probably more than 3.
There's at least 3.
Oh, there's 3.
1,
I
2,
get it, yeah.
3. Yeah, at least 3.
Does that mean 6 times the damage?
I don't know.
Alright, sir.
Alright,
Oh,
ready?
Jesus Christ.
Nope. Nope. It's good. We're going.
I'm flying, bitches.
I shot down a robot in like 2 hits.
Because we OP as fuck, boy. Scorched acres.
Do things. Get money.
That's another
Yeah.
teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Dakota's golden
Get
at teddy bears.
No, seriously, those teddy bears
No.
will save your ass.
Yeah.
I'm,
they're
I'm,
OP.
It's a,
I'm well aware.
it's a chance to block all damage.
There's OP items, and that's one of them.
As soon as I get enough money, I'm going. Oh fuck these guys.
Little what the fucks?
The guys that
Oh.
slam the ground and do an earth-bending attack.
Oh no, I'm fighting a turret guy.
I'm a rock monster. New equipment. What are you doing?
Teddy bear, give me my teddy bear. I don't have enough. Bullshit.
Give me coin.
I have the wares if you have the coin.
What is that from?
I have no idea. I've just heard it and I know it's a thing.
I'm gonna go buy a teddy bear.
I have so many gasoline lights. I have like 3 gasoline. It's crazy. Need things to fight me.
Oh, these friends.
I missed.
Oh, you fell?
Fired and I missed.
I tried to jump over the gap, but I missed. Oh fuck, imps.
Imps?
Imps, imps suck.
Do they now?
Oh yeah, those guys. Yeah.
The little red demon bastards, yeah, they suck.
Are you racist to imps?
Yes.
Yes.
They deserve it.
Because they freaking deserve it.
They do.
Hey, it's because I have played Doom and I realize that imps don't deserve life. Repulsion armor plate, receive flat damage reduction. Ooh. That sounds
Doesn't
nice.
deserve life. It's unnatural, and I'm gonna kill it.
Yeah.
Death mark. Enemies with 4 or more debuffs are marked for death, taking bonus damage.
Give me. What is it?
Basically, if we're fighting a very tough enemy, say a boss,
Yes.
they'll take bonus damage.
Oh, sick. So, yeah, this game gets very difficult very fast.
Chance to fire a missile? Fuck yeah, dude.
Doing good
You
so
have to be like
far.
on your game. It gets bad.
Well, you know what? It probably won't be as bad now that there's 4 of us.
True. We
And,
usually play.
you know,
two.
at least 3 of the 4 of us have decent computers, so I don't care about the cautious
My
slug.
computer's
Well,
decent. It just
whenever we
doesn't,
play-
my AT doesn't work anymore.
But whenever we played with Charles too, he couldn't run Discord too. So
Yeah, true.
now we actually have comms.
Wait a second, does my AT work? My AT works in game, but it's okay.
What?
It's still
Yes.
something input. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm still trying to figure out my fucking AT because it's saying it's not working for every other.
Ninjas. Oh my god, I have just syringes sticking out of my leg.
I've got feathers
Nice.
all up and down my arms, and I see slugs on me.
No, you guys need to see this. I have like 3 syringes sticking out of my leg.
Coda, we need to talk about your problem.
Excuse me.
Could have addicted
he
to
doesn't
the
have a
H.
problem.
No, Isaac, look at this.
Yeah, yeah. Why? you have a problem.
I just have needles in my legs.
What did we tell you about your
Okay.
addiction?
These fucking saw boomerangs are fucking awesome. They take forever to reload, but when they work, it's fucking awesome.
The way I see it, guys, as long as he uses a clean needle, it's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes doesn't take them out.
Ah, see, that's beautiful.
When we first started playing this Coda, I never appreciated the power of all of the power-ups.
I know, right?
I said, oh, that's Coda's thing. Oh, they're very important.
What?
I always thought they were just like.
It's like
No.
little boosts.
No, you
Yeah.
need all the power-ups you can get, dude. They will save your ass.
Like your screen might look ugly because of the amount of power-ups you have, but it's
Yeah,
worth
you'll
it.
look fucking ridiculous with the amount of shit you're carrying.
What does Crowbar do?
It deals extra damage to healthy enemies. That's what the teleporter is? That's a fucking stupid place for it.
Should we meet?
Well, hold on. We still gotta explore down this corridor. Ooh, that might be worth it down there.
Radar scanner.
I think I'm gonna do it.
Radar.
Oh,
Mr. Radar.
what's a Jade Elephant do? Oh,
Stop bubbling and churning. Call this a radar screen? No, sir, that's Mr. Coffee.
can I drop items, Coda?
No.
Now,
Oh,
the
Once
only
you
items
have
you
it
can
in
drop are the ones that are in cube, but you need something to replace it with.
Yeah, you're special.
Oh, you're
Alright.
right.
We're good down there.
so I'm out of space.
Alright. Well, there's a printer down there. Basically, you can sacrifice one of any item at random for the
Yeah.
item it shows there.
I just don't know if I want to.
I think syringes are always worth it, but that's just me.
Ooh, that's a ledge.
I also have like
Of course
5.
you would think they're worth it.
Yeah.
If you have a lot of good shit, don't risk it.
I got a syringe.
I only did it because it was a syringe. Holy shit.
What are these? No.
I wish I could spend all this cash.
Yeah.
I had like 2,000.
You gotta be fast to the loot crates.
Not that you won't get your chance to, you know, raid them.
I think we explored the
Yeah.
map, so I think when we're ready.
Should I hit it?
Yeah.
Sure, I guess.
It's hit.
What are we fighting? Imp
No.
Overlord.
Imp-
Are you
oh,
shitting me?
Shit.
Oh god, are you shitting me? He just fucking flung me off the map.
Die, son. Getting good damage off.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Remember to use your shift roll.
Yeah.
Especially for him.
Double damage, bitch. You go, coward.
I hear him. There he is.
And he's done.
He's gone. Now we just need to survive.
It's at half. There's
Oh, if I
things here.
survive this, I get the Huntress.
Oh.
Oh yeah, no, this is easy.
Oh, detonate enemies on kill. It's pretty lit.
Ooh shit, up
Guys,
there.
grab those jars if you can.
I'm sorry, how to...
No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Where is this?
Guys.
Where are you?
I'm on the side of the building.
Where?
I fell off the edge, but I hung to the side, so now I'm on the ledge.
I don't
Just
see.
stay
Oh,
down there.
Isaac, just die. You're gonna have to.
Well, not true. The teleporter's almost done.
Yeah, but he's gonna miss all the action.
Well, that's
What's
his
the
fault.
penalty of dying? I jumped
You
off the
you,
edge.
you lose a couple HP,
Oh.
but since you have healing drones, it'll fill you back up.
I mean, the teleporter's almost done, so it's not really worth it.
I don't know. It's up to you, dude.
I'm getting the
I
fucking...
already jumped
Yeah.
off.
Well, we're done.
What's up? Let me get these fucking jars real quick.
Nope, too late.
Right fucking here. You sons of bitches.
It's
Too late.
automatic. It's automatic.
Siren, this is new. This is a new level. I've not seen this before.
This is new.
Siren's Call. I wonder where this will lead.
Probably to those things.
I don't keep any
Oh,
of
birds.
Oh, that's
Birds.
fucking sick.
They're very pretty.
They're pretty.
This is a very pretty level.
Oh, those things have beef on them.
But guess what? So do we, bitch.
Yeah, no, but like they have extra beef.
Look at all the beef.
If you notice, our difficulty is now at insane, so...
Yeah, I know, but like they're very beefy. God damn it.
If they just like picking equipment and then just do what they can with it. This fucking
Shattering
bell.
Justice. Reduce the armor of an enemy after repeatedly striking. Dude.
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 More syringes.
I got shrooms.
Yay. We're not drug addicts.
Yeah, I have 5 on me now. Should I pay to sacrifice to the god? Oh god, no I don't.
Yes.
It's up to
you
you,
always
dude.
sacrifice the god.
Oh, what the fuck are you? What?
Oh
What?
shit.
Alright, you know those lizard guys?
Yeah?
I found a big one.
Big one. How big we talking?
Like Godzilla size.
Oh.
You lad?
Ah, fuck.
Okay, not Godzilla. Oh, what?
Ah, sweet.
Question mark?
Whoever did that, thank you.
What happened?
There's- You see all the question marks? That's where all the stuff
Yeah.
is.
Yeah.
Okay, not that
So are you
lizard
guys
one.
even playing?
Risk of Rain 2.
Ooh, I have a chance to fire a missile.
Okay, hey Charles.
What's up?
That lizard was not Godzilla size. It's more like if we were regular humans, he was the size of Killer Croc in Arkham.
Oh, okay. So basically like 8 to 10 feet tall.
Yeah. He was a large boy.
Yeah, where the hell is this teleporter?
I don't know. What about now?
Oh, I got it. It's right here.
Bro?
Where?
Oh, yeah. Oh, you hit it.
Yeah, I hit it. Because
Oh,
there's no way in hell.
Oh, he's up here.
It's
Oh,
right
there's
in the
two of
open
them.
area. It's by this tower.
Guys, there's 2 of them.
Oh. Oh, I'm getting cucked.
Okay, cuffed.
There's so much on screen.
Yeah.
Right?
Thank God my computer can handle it.
Oh, no.
I fell off the map.
Rip.
You fucking kidding me?
He's dead.
I'm dead. Because I fell off the goddamn map.
Oh, you're dead.
I'm dead.
What if we survive? You'll respawn.
Yeah, I know.
52.
Oh shit! I need to go. Dude, that guy just took like 1,000 health off
I
me
saw
in one
that.
hit.
Ow. Like which guy?
It was a combination of the regular boss and plus like just a billion enemies on top of me.
I just have so many regeneration things that like my health isn't hurting.
All my stuff is damaged.
Like most of mine are all regen. Regen and defense. %90.
Fucking bell. We're about to be impossible damage, boys.
Impossible damage? Is it like
Yeah.
the impossible whopper?
Impossible difficulty.
Yeah. The more you play this game, the infinite the difficulty goes up.
Yeah.
Are you looking at the side of the screen? Air Hunter is dead. Lol, get wrecked.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh, is that a thing?
Yeah, did you not see it?
No, I didn't.
It just says Air Hunter's dead. Lol.
Where's it say that?
Lol. Like the game itself said that.
Pogs.
No, where does it say that? I literally don't see it.
It would have been on the left side under the
Yeah, I didn't see it.
under all our health
I'll,
stuff.
yeah, I'll check my footage.
Oh, I found paper.
Sky
Oh.
Meadow, another new place. This is pretty.
Also very good. Looks peaceful. I doubt it will be.
Looks peaceful. Proceeds to murder.
I mean, that's the American way.
Ah, true.
Now, hold on. We don't know we're American first off in this game.
Well, I'm saying we have American values.
Yeah, beans, bacon, the Lord.
Don't forget the cornbread.
Cornbread. Corn boy.
They got very pink. Oh my, that's why. Worm.
Worm. Oh, boss worm.
Yeah, remember when I said it'll start spawning bosses as regular enemies? This is one of those times.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I met your giant imps. Or giant whatever the fuck's.
There's an imp.
No, like just giant lizards.
Oh, you met my giant lizard friends.
Yeah, they're not too keen on me.
No.
I'm dead.
Guitar?
Yeah, I saw that. What does the guitar do?
I don't know.
Oh,
Find out.
yeah.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh, lizard boys.
Yeah, those guys. They're very bright.
Yeah.
Sorry. Goddamn fucking worm keeps smacking me around.
What's the guitar do?
It's a ukulele and his
What's the
music
ukulele do?
It says and his music was electric, so I have no idea.
It's an electric ukulele.
That's fucking baller, dude.
But it doesn't tell me what it does. All it says is and his music was electric.
That was a quote from the first Risk of Rain.
Ah,
fuck,
that's a
yeah,
hole.
Get up.
Charles fell in a hole.
I did fall in a hole.
Where are you? Oh, that's damage. I don't want that. I like my HUD.
I'm trapped. This is hell.
Focus crystal. Deal bonus damage to nearby enemies. Okay. I can dig it. I found teleporter.
Sick.
Come here, fuck boy.
That's what the bag said to my wife.
That's what my wife's boyfriend said. Right before he let me go back to bed. After
No.
playing all the Nintendo Switch.
Oh, that's nice. Did he tuck
He
you in?
bought it for me.
Oh, that's great.
What
did
got
I
me
say?
some warm milk.
Oh, nice. What a lovely man.
I know, he's so great. The missus, she loves him. I wish she loved me.
Gore's Tome. Chance on kill to drop treasure.
Yeah, I know. I saw that. Come on, I need another message on.
I'm guessing that's another worm.
Oh, I can fire a black hole. That's sick. Nope, that's fall damage.
Crowdfunder.
Oh, dope. Oh, dope, bro.
Healing drone
let me
save
just
me.
get absolutely bodied real quick.
There you guys are. Is Charles still in the hole?
Nah, I'm here. I got out.
Nice.
Yep, I knew that was a bad idea. You knew it was a bad idea. Yeah,
Then
you
why'd you
still
do it?
Because I thought I could get away with it this time.
Nope. Fuck the shrine of the mountain.
Oh my god, I shouldn't have lost that.
Oh, these are dead lizard people.
Guys, I'm not sure how much longer we'll survive if we don't,
Do the teleporter?
yeah.
Do it.
I say do it, because I don't
Do
think
it.
we have Island.
I don't know where it is.
Hold on, I'll go get it. See if I can see with all these fucking question marks in the way. Ooh, I'm getting that.
Oh fuck! Hi.
Can I get its tail off?
More
Where's
worms?
that big smashy boy? One smashy
know
boy.
how you are.
Come here.
Oh my god, oh my god. Guys, I need help, I need help, I need
I'm
help.
coming.
Guys, please, hurry.
Where you are.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
He's fine. Zoran.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Okay.
You're
I don't
fine.
know where
Don't
the
worry
hell.
about
Oh,
it.
you're all the
No,
way up
I'm not.
fucking
No,
there.
I'm not okay.
Yeah,
I'm not
coming,
okay.
I'm
I'm not
coming.
okay. I'm not
You're
okay.
alive. Don't worry about it. You're
If
up
you
more-
saw how butt fucked I just got.
No, you look fine. You're doing fine. Don't worry about it.
Emma, you can shut the fuck up.
That's the big boss. Alright.
God damn.
Oh,
worm.
yeah, I see what you mean with the Tom Ford and motherfuckers. Oh, hello.
Oh, I'm in a hole.
Have you come to rape me today?
I fell. Oh, hi, Mr. Worm. I fell off again.
Oh, I am gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Ooh, that's an area. Nope, that's not the right worm.
Or just multiple worms.
I'm
Yeah.
dead.
Oh, like dead?
I'm dead.
They will surely feast on Air Hunter's flesh.
Yeah, no fucking shit.
Focus on the worms.
Ooh, you might be in trouble.
I'm dead.
Shit.
You're the only
Where's
one.
Wormy Boy? Hi, everyone. Good to see you.
You're the only one. You're our only hope.
I just think you need to clutch this.
I'm so screwed.
Just gotta kill 2 worms. That's all you gotta do.
I can't kill one
then-
worm. No! Get away from me!
It's those fucking yellow ghost faces that suck. They teleport just Hulk smash.
Yeah, those things are fucking ridiculous.
Stick away from me! No! Please!
Isaac Stungray, get it. No, or not, you're good.
I would if I could.
No, it's okay.
Remember to use your skills.
I'm trying. Where the hell is this worm behind? I'm dead.
Uh-oh. Em, it's up to you. No, no, everyone's
No.
dead.
Nope, I died.
I'm dead.
I died a while ago.